Number 10. Stanley Classic IceFlow. Flip straw tumbler for kids, 8 or above, is a reliable and stylish choice for parents looking for a durable and practical drinkware option for their children. With its 20 Oz capacity and double-wall, vacuum-insulated design, this tumbler ensures that beverages stay at the desired temperature for extended periods, making it ideal for keeping drinks cool on hot summer days. The inclusion of the flip straw feature adds convenience, allowing kids to hydrate easily without worrying about spills or leaks. Additionally, the tumbler's pool cub color and Stand the Bear stainless steel design add a touch of fun and personalization, appealing to the younger audience. The space-themed style adds an element of excitement and adventure, making this tumbler an engaging accessory for kids. Overall, the Stanley Classic IceFlow Flip Straw Tumbler for kids, 8 or above, strikes a good balance between functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it a practical,